So in this lesson, 8.3.10, we're going to go back to kind of where we were at the very end of Unit 2, where we were given 2 points, and we had to find the slope between the 2 points. So in this point right here, I have a point 4, comma 6, and I have a point 12, comma 9. I'm going to use those two first. If you remember when we talked about it, we said we want to find the differences in the y's first. So 9 minus 6 would equal 12, not equal, but, and then 12 minus 4. So 9 minus 6 means that slope is 3. 12 minus 4 means that slope is 8. Now we'll go ahead and draw that line. Whoops. And if we were to extend it out this way, we would see that it's not quite there. It's right there, 3 and 8. It's going to be right there. That would mean that that intersection is someplace between 5 and 4. So the y-intercept would be, it would be y equals 3/8 x plus some number or fraction in between 5 and 4. We'll figure that out a little bit later. We're not too worried about that right now. So using what we just did, let's do the same thing with these other 2 points. And this point I start at 5, whoops, that's a terrible 5, but you can read it, 5 comma 13, and I'm going to go down to 16 comma 10. Just by looking at these, you can see that that line is going to be a negative slope, but let's just see what that means in terms of y minus y. So that means 13 minus 10 and 5 minus 16. So we're going to do the same thing. Y minus the y, y minus the y. So 13 minus 10 means it's 3. And 5 minus 16 means it's actually negative 11. So we can see by figuring it out that we have a negative slope. So if we were to draw a line through that, through those points, we're just going to do a segment, and we can see that that line is going down. It means it's a negative slope, and it's okay to have a negative slope. We're going to talk about some situations later about what would make us have a negative slope.